So f of x is 5x plus 7. G of x is 4x minus 8. It says fog of x. That says f, what's closest is g. So g is the stuffing, f is the turkey. So I go to f, pull out the x's. So there's the turkey awaiting the stuffing. And what am I going to stuff it with? 4x minus 8. So this then becomes 20x minus 40 plus 7, or 20x minus 33. 20x, not 28. Where'd that come from? White tape, white tape. Now that's your new function. That's fog of x. I got something new from two old things. Now this is Goff. This is g of f of x. Now that says we're in the function g. I'm going to replace, I'm going to come back at this from a little different direction. I'm going to place all of the x's by f, which is 5x plus 7. So that says in g, take the x out. It awaits 5x plus 7. Then you simplify. Which is 20x plus 20, I hope. So that is Goff. Now here's the beauty, is that it says find fog of 2. Well, I already know what fog is. Fog of 2 is 20x minus 33, is it not? So what this is, I may as well call this the new guy. New of 2, the new guy. The new guy is 20x minus 33, so it's 20 times 2 minus 33, which is 40 minus 33. 40 minus 33 is 7.
So with that one, I just did f of g of 2. Would that be okay too?
Yes. So you could calculate out g of 2 first, and then put that in f, and you end up with 7. Woohoo! Look, it works. Doesn't matter. You can work it either way. Yes. Sometimes we're too smart for our own good, or sometimes we're just plain too smart, or sometimes we're just smart enough. Now I'm feeling like Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Too hard, too soft, just right. Okay, here is another one. X squared minus 4x plus 1. So that says in the function f, I'm going to stuff the function g, and this is going to be some work, because f is a quadratic, right? So this is going to turn into x squared minus 4x plus 1. And g is who? So x plus 3, all those parentheses, I put x plus 3's. Now personally, I'd leave it that way. It's too much work to do anything else. But this is x plus 3 times x plus 3, which is x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 4x minus 12 plus 1. X squared, there's only 1, plus 6x minus 4x plus 2x, plus 9 plus 1 minus 12. That's 10 minus 12, which is minus 2. That's the new guy. So this would be fog of x. And by the way, when we work with this stuff, we don't normally say, oh, that's fog of x. We create a new guy we call h. And then h of x becomes fog of x, and then he's just like any other function that we work with. It's just the fact that we know where he came from. If we look at our other function, we may not know where he came from. X squared minus 4x plus 1 could have come from something else. We don't know. We just kind of take it at face value. Okay, Goff. G of f of x, I like this one better. That says in the function g, pull out the x and put in f. So this becomes x squared minus 4x plus 1 plus 3 is plus 4. And so that's Goff of x. Or if you want to rename him happy face, frowny face of x, that would work. And then he wants us to find Goff of 3. Well, we can do that. Well, why? Because we know that Goff of x equals x squared minus 4x plus 4. So this is going to be 3 squared minus 4 times 3 plus 4, which is 9 minus 12 plus 4. 13 minus 12 is 1.
Can you work it the long way?
So, if we're looking at Goff of 3, this is g of f of 3. So the first thing I need to do is I need to calculate f of 3. And f of 3 is, I need to find f, 3 squared minus 4 times 3 minus 1, which is 9 minus 12 minus 1, which is 9 minus 13, and 9 minus 13 is 4. Uh-oh.
9 minus 11.
9 minus,
Right?
what do you mean 9 minus 11?
It'd be 9
plus
minus
1.
12 plus 1.
Yeah, 9 minus 11.
Oh, I lost a, it's a plus. Why didn't you say something? So this ends up being what?
I can't see it.
Can't see, that's why.
Oh, you can't see it? That's a way to take care of problems, isn't it? Oh, you can't see it. So this is going to be minus 2.
So then plug that into...
So then this is going to be g of minus 2. And then, okay. Whew. Minus 2 plus 3 equals 1. I got the same answer both ways. Oh, thank goodness.